Hi, you're watching Das Overa. This is Amarpal Singh before you. So, celebrating the International Mother Language Day, the Punjabi language lovers they have gathered over here at the Bharat Nagar Chowk. So, where they are marking the International Mother Language Day. On the other side, they are holding a protest over here regarding this signage. You can see the signage is written in English, or we can say only one alphabet or one akhar is of the Punjabi language. The rest alphabets they are in the English language. So there are total three signages installed here at the Bharat Nagar Chowk. One which is in full Hindi, one which is in full English. But when we talk about the Punjabi, there is only one alphabet, that is Lalla, which is in Punjabi language. Rest all alphabets in English language. So this matter was earlier also raised by the Punjabi Pasha Pasar Paichara, and today Punjabi lovers they have gathered over here and they are marking this protest. We are having with us Mahinder Singh Sekho, who is a member of the Punjabi Pasha Pasar Paichara. So, sir, what do you want to say about this entire scenario?
Entire scenario is first and foremost, I congratulate the entire the population of the world who speak different languages, and it's an honor given to the different languages by the UNESCO. But the main work was done by the Bengali students of Dhaka University in 1952 when they wanted their state language to be Bengali. Okay, when they protested there in the university, they were fired upon, and quite a number of them died. They became martyrs. And considering their martyrdom, the UNESCO and taking into consideration that language is one thing which preserves your the entire community, the way you live, the way you talk. You see, and the ਸਾਰੀ ਸੱਭਿਅਤਾ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਜਣੀ ਉਹ ਸੰਭਾਲਦੀ ਆ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਦੇ 1999 the UNESCO passed a resolution proclaiming 21st February, when those people laid down their life, to be the International Mother Tongue Day. And it is because of that today we are celebrating our Mother Tongue Day. And it's not that I'm congratulating only the Punjabi people who speak Punjabi, but various people who speak different languages. You see, each person is honored to have their language and to preserve it. And for this, the Punjab government has also given us some very good instructions, and also some acts have been made, rules have been made, and various times they have given instructions to different departments of the government, to the different commissioners, and one of those is the Punjab Shops and Commercial Establishment First Amendment Rules, 2023. Now that envisages the people, it lays down that every institution or establishment, they are supposed to, in Punjab, they are supposed to have their names written on the boards that they are putting up on their shops or at the crossings or anywhere. That should be in Punjabi. And Punjabi, in case some other language is also used, Punjabi has to be on top, and the font of the Punjabi language has to be larger than it is to be more prominent. Now, there is also, along with that is they have put a penalty, those who aggravate, those who do not follow the rules. Now, that is that for the first wrong that is done, they charge 100 rupees, 1000 rupees. The fine is 1000 rupees, and every consequent violation, it rises to 2000 rupees for each violation. Now the rule has been made. We are so grateful to the Punjab government, latest government now also, and that such a rule is there to preserve the language of Punjabi, the language of the Punjabis. And but we fall on implementation. The penalty which I told you, since 2023 March, this rule is there, but up till now, not a single establishment has been fined for the same.
Okay.
And initially, the Punjab government went about it that with writings in the newspapers and advertisements, but after that, nothing seems to have happened. And as a result of this, what we have got is this over here. The Punjabi alphabet Lalla is written over there, and UDHIANA is in English. I would like to mention also that there are two more boards like this. One is in English, English alphabets. Another one is in Hindi, Devanagari alphabets. Now, when it came to Punjabi, they are using only one alphabet of Punjabi and rest is in English. I would like to tell all the audience, everybody concerned, wherever he is listening in the world, that Punjabi has got 35 alphabets. They complement each and every sound of Punjabi, whereas English has got only 26. Now, for example, this L, Lalla, UDHIANA, it will be pronounced as Ludhiana, but the actual pronunciation is Ludhiana. This na is not there in English. Now I mean to say, a language with 35 alphabets, why does it have to be given a walking stick or a leaning on stick of English? They didn't do, same thing has not been done with Hindi or in English. So we are not against any language, and today, as it is International Mother Tongue Day, every language should enjoy their right.
Now, how you are taking up this matter? You have earlier also staged this protest. Earlier also you have raised this issue. Now, what is the further step?
Further step is that now, as you can see, there was a pattern tank and statue of Major Bhupinder Singh, Mahavir Chakra holder, and that tank is being replaced, is being put back after the cycle is being replaced. Well, that is very good. And at the same time, probably even this will be replaced. But whereas replacement of the tank and the statue may have some technical reasons for the delay. What is the delay over here? Each and every day, as though you are giving a slap to us. You see? Or
it is a failure of the district administration or which department, you see, who have to ensure that the rule, that the amendment has been made by the government, which department has to ensure that it is properly implemented?
The department that has to be make implementation over here is the labor department. The labor department, the labor commissioner, we have approached him, but he does not listen to us. And now what we have done is, when we gathered here in the morning, at that time, all of us over here have signed a memorandum has been given to the DC, asking him to please ensure that this implementation of the Punjab Shops and Establishment Act rules is literally done. You see, that is what is our demand, and such things should not happen over and over again, because many things are happening regarding Punjabi where it is being neglected. You are not only neglecting the language, you are neglecting the orders of the government.
So, DC has assured you regarding this, or what kind of?
DC, what we read in the newspapers is regarding the tank being replaced and the statue being replaced. Nothing was there about this. Now we were under the impression this may be a surprise gift to the Punjabis, that they will replace this on the International Mother Tongue Day.
You have not met personally DC?
No, I have not met him, but at the same time now we are going to give him a memorandum on Monday, and I have already sent him by email that this should be done. This kind of thing is not kind of right for the administration.
So as of now, you have not sent any memorandum. You will send memorandum on Monday.
No, memorandum has already been sent by email.
Okay, email.
I have emailed him.
Okay.
Personally, we will go and meet him on Monday.
Okay, right.
Okay. So Whereas we are very grateful to the UNESCO and also to our government for giving us rules which means for which are favoring the local language of the people, and that happens to be the state language of Punjab.
Right.
Now the Bengalis that time they were fighting to get a state language, but we have our state language. But still, if we are not able to enjoy it, then it's so sad.
Right. Thank you. Thank you so much. So he is Mahinder Singh Seko, who is a representative of Punjabi Pasha Pasar Paichara. So today they have gathered over here where they are marking the International Mother Language Day. On the other side, they are also protesting against the alleged insult to the Punjabi language. As here you can see the signage, it is an incomplete Punjabi language. They have used the person who. The company who is looking after this Bharat Nagar Chowk, they have put the signage in only just one letter or one akhar is in Punjabi, rest other alphabets is in English language. So they have as Mahinder Singh Seko said that they have taken up this matter with the district administration and mentioned that they have sent an email also, and in person they will hand over the memorandum on Monday demanding to replace this signage in full Punjabi language. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to The Savera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.